Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Bell Yurt Tent, a luxurious and waterproof 4-season hot tent that's perfect for family outdoor camping and glamping. Meet the Bell Yurt Tent. Featuring a spacious interior space, waterproof design, and luxurious materials. This tent is engineered to provide comfort and adaptability in outdoor settings. The tent boasts a 420D Oxford cloth fabric with PU5 000 waterproof rating and a PE polyethylene bottom fabric for added protection. The double seam ceiling and corrosion-resistant alloy steel bracket ensure durability and stability. This tent features two 3.2 by 3.6 foot PVC skylights and a 1.3 by 0.8 foot air conditioning vent, providing ample ventilation and views. The tent is easy to install and comes with a storage bag for convenient carrying and storage. The Bell Yurt tent has a diameter of 16.4 feet and can accommodate 6 to 8 people. The highest point of the tent is 9.8 feet, allowing adults to walk upright inside. With its luxurious materials, spacious interior, and practical design, the Bell Yurt Tent is perfect for family outdoor camping and glamping. Order now and start enjoying the great outdoors in comfort and style. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the great outdoors with the Bell Yurt Tent. It's available now. Say goodbye to cramped and uncomfortable camping trips, and hello to luxurious and enjoyable outdoor adventures with the Bell Yurt Tent.